Hello students, we are doing subject Environmental Studies Part 1, Lesson number 12, Home Remedies for Simple Illnesses. Welcome to Vidyabhushan English Primary School Standard 4th Online Studies. Now we will see the lesson Home Remedies for Simple Illnesses. Remedies means medicines. Home medicines, the medicines which we use, which we get easily from our home, that remedies are called as the home remedies. Now here we can see one picture. Why is this boy's arm in plaster? As sometime you may have seen any boy whose arm is in plaster. So why is this? Now the bone of the boy's arm must have been fractured. He might have fallen down and he might have fracture. Therefore his arm is in plaster. Now could we have put this arm in plaster at home? Can we put this plaster at home? No, we cannot put plaster at home. For this purpose we have to visit doctor's clinic only, who is specialized in the bones. In this picture we can see one girl, she visited a doctor. Now why has this girl been brought to a doctor? The girl may not be well. She might be having fever or she might be having any other health problems. Therefore she have visited to doctor. When we are well, we feel hungry at times. When we are well, when we are feeling better, well, at that time we feel hungry. Then we eat our food properly, we sleep well, and we have no complaints about digestion. We do all our work properly because we are fit and fine. The most important is when we get up, we feel refreshed in the morning, we feel better. We do not feel tired even if we have been at work. Even we have work, we do not feel tired. We feel refreshed. Why? Because we are well. We enjoy our day nicely. But sometimes what happens? Because of some reasons, we fall ill. Now here Sakhu has a slight sore throat. Still she had an ice cream. She was having sore throat and still she ate ice cream. Now next day what happened? Her throat hurt and she felt difficult to swallow. She's throat was hurting and she was having difficult to swallow. So mother made her gargle with warm salt water before and after the school. She said her to do for 2 days. You may have also done this at your home. This is home remedy, means home medicine. On the 3rd day, Sakhu's throat stopped hurting. She felt better. So this was simple illnesses. Simple illness and she felt better again. Now a fortnight later, after 14 days, Sakhu's thigh fell ill. She was running a temperature. She was having fever. Her eyes became yellow and she was not eating anything. She was not feeling better. So her mother took her to doctor. The doctor said that thigh had jaundice. Now it cannot be cured at home by simple remedies. So Sakhu's mother visited to doctor. So the doctor advised her to take complete rest. She should take complete rest for 3 weeks. She also told her to eat as little as possible. The things which contain oil, she should not eat oily food. She should not eat the food which has more ghee, butter. So she should eat light food for these 3 weeks. This was not an illness that can be cured easily, means it would take 3 weeks. So it cannot be cured easily at home and with the help of home remedies. So for this it was very necessary to visit the doctor. Now here Shripati and his younger sister Tara was working in the field. Now what happened? One snake bit and it wriggled away, means it went away. Now nobody was able to see the snake because it wriggled away very fast. So, but Shripati was knowing that a snake have bit him, so he started shouting loudly and people came running to help him. Now Tara was saying that Shripati should be taken to Taluka in the government hospital and he should be given anti-snake bite injection. But nobody paid attention to this. People quickly, what they do, they took the bullock cart and putting Shripati in it, took him to the village temple. They took Shripati to the village temple. They called the village mantrik. They called village mantrik, and what mantrik have done? He laid Shripati on a bed of neem leaves. Here neem leaves are there. He made Shripati lay there on neem leaves and he began to chant mantras against the snakes, against the action of snake's poison. Now will it work? No, this thing never works. What do you think? Do the mantras act against the snake's poison? No, the mantras does not act against the snake's poison. Now was it right to bring Shripati to the village mantrik? No, he should have been taken to the government hospital. Soon Shripati, would you have taken Shripati to the mantrik or to the government hospital? It is right to take to government hospital. Soon Shripati felt better. Now is it because of that mantrik's mantra, or may the snake may not be, the snake may be non-poisonous? Yes, the real reason was the snake was non-poisonous. Because of that, Shripati, his life was saved and all the credit got to mantrik, because mantrik have said mantra, so all the credit got to mantrik, but the real reason was snake was non-poisonous. Because of that, Shripati's life was saved. Now students, we do some home remedies for simple problems, simple illness. One can try the home remedy. Do you remember Sakhu's mother said her to gargle with the warm water and salt? Now this illness, it can get cured within 1 or 2 days. Elderly experienced person in the family, such as our parents, grandparents, elder persons, our aunt, uncle, they suggest us many things to get cured. If the simple problems are there, simple illnesses is there, so they suggest the simple medicines, home remedies. If we have cold, we inhale steam. This you have also done. We inhale steam at bedtime and take hot fomentations on the chest. This is simple home remedies. Vaska leaves, it is also called as the adulsa. It is good for fever, cough. So these are also simple home remedies. If we have cough, vaska leaves are used. If you have stomach ache, the simple home remedies is carom seeds, cumin, honey, mint leaves, lemon juice, aloe vera. These are the simple home remedies. Now if someone feel like vomiting, or if he or she is vomiting because of fever, because of indigestion, it is better not to insist him to have a meal. He should not eat the food which he eats regularly daily. He or she should be given cool lemon juice, lemon sharbat, and simple dahi bath he can eat, which is good for his stomach. If someone has a cut, bruise, or a small wound, it should be washed. It should be washed with clean water and dabbed dry. It should be washed and dabbed dry. Or for the cut, a tincture of iodine may be applied to it. Then it should be covered with clean cotton and bandage. In this way, a tincture of iodine can be applied to it and it can be covered with a clean cotton and bandage. And simple illness should never be neglected. Even small illness should never be neglected. Either home remedy should be done or the patient should be taken to the doctor if the problem is more. One should not take medicine without consultation of doctor. Even if you have the medicine at home, you should not take it without advice of the doctor. In this way, hot fomentations can be done for cold. A service that takes care of health of the people and provides treatment for those who are ill is called a health service or medical service. Health service or medical service is provided for the people who is ill. Big towns and cities have doctors, clinics and hospitals. In most cities and in rural areas, government hospitals, in this way government hospitals and primary health centers are available. Patient can be treatment at a concessional rate. In less rate, patients are treated. So, even poor people can take the treatment. The municipal corporations of big cities, in this way you might have seen municipal corporations of big city, they also run hospitals and that provides medical treatment. So the poor people can take the treatment in municipal corporations, government hospitals. So what we have learned? Some illness are cured quickly, such as simple cold. It can be cured quickly, but if the problem is more, the patient should be taken to the doctor. But there are some that do not get cured easily, so he or she should be taken to the doctor. Minor illness can be cured with home remedies. Experienced elder people, they suggest some home remedies. For cold, one can inhale steam or can take hot fomentations. If someone is vomiting, then cool lemon sharbat should be given and simple dahi bath should be given. So these are simple home remedies. If the problem is more, the person should be taken to the doctor. And remember children's, mantras, incantations, magic spells and charms, they do not cure any disease or illness. If you have illness problem, if anybody has illness problem, he or she should be taken to the doctor. Thank you.